Hey guys, I am going into the office this afternoon and it's going to be a busy afternoon because I'm recording something. I don't have time to eat lunch and all I've got is this cereal left. That's not even half a portion, guys. Oh, I'm probably just going to be in the office eating that cookie jar and probably the fruit as well because they give us fruit. What have you guys had for breakfast today? This is so good. I've got half an hour to get out this house. In the evening. No, I have nothing left. What can I do? That's distressing. No, guys, I am severely upset. I'm gonna be so hungry when I get into the office. Help, help. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a good day. I'm going into the office now. I'll see you back here for dinner.